Hello students, for the hello dear students, let us start now. Hello students, let us start now. Yeah, is it you are able to hear my voice? Is it audible? So the previous one, do you understand? That is what I said as general term. The general term of the binomial theorem, that is TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power of n minus r into y to the power of r. This is what we called as the general term. Okay. This is what we called as general term of the binomial theorem. Yes, understood. Yeah, very good. Let us discuss here. And I told you that total number of terms, concept total number of terms. Yesterday I gave you some question on that, right? So let's see here. I just want to tell you that. Yeah, I just want to find the question here. Find 28th term. 28th term of 5x plus 8y raised to power 30. To make you understand this general term, why we use this general term, and just pick up in this problem. Okay. So let us see here. That is TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power of n minus r into y to the power of r. So if I want to find the 28th term in this, okay, 28th term in this. So I just told you 28th term can be written as T 27 plus 1. Okay. I can write this one as T 27 plus 1. And you just compare this one with x plus y raised power n. You just compare this one with x plus y raised power n. If you compare that, what I am going to get here, x value, the first term here 5x, the second term. So what I do here, I compare with a plus b whole power n. Okay, that's better. So if I compare with a plus b whole power n, the first a is equal to 5x and b is equal to 8y. And according to this, if I take as a b combination, the formula will be a raised power n minus r and b raised power r is the general term formula. TR plus 1 is equal to formula is NCR a raised power n minus r into b power r. Find the 28th term in this is said. So 5x plus 8y whole power n. If I compare with a plus b whole power n, the value of a will be 5x and the value of b will be 8y, and the n value here. N value is 30 here. So T28 can be written as T27 plus 1. So that is can be written as using the formula, this one, formula NCR. NCR, it means that is 30C, R value here 27, because 28 I need to find, it will be 27. 30C 27, and the value of A is here 5x, raised power n minus r, that is n is how much, 30 minus 28, and b is what here, b is 8y raised power r is how much here, r is 27. So I can write as 30c 27, and I can write as 5x raised power 30 minus 28 is 2. This is 2 raised power 27. So let us discuss this problem now. So what I am going to get the answer here? What I am going to get the answer now? Tell me, quickly tell me here. 30C27 can be written as what? 30C27 can be written as 30C27 can be written as 30 into, I can write this as NCR. Yesterday I told you a formula, that is NCR value will be equal to NCN minus R. If I want to find 30C27 will be equal to 30C 30 minus 27 means 30C3. 30C3. This will be equal to 30C3. Means that I can find 30C27 using 30C3. Okay. So now I am going to find this value here. Here I am going to find the value. So 30C3 can be written as 30C3 into 5 square 25 into x square into 8 power 27. So I can write 8 power that only. You don't need to change here. 8y power 27 because 27 the largest values we never answer that. Means 8 power 27 will write 8 power 27 only. We don't need to find the value of 8 power 27. Don't do that things. So 30C3 can be written as what here? 30 into, you know the formula as per that NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Or I can use 30C3 formula is 30 factorial by. I can write directly also one method I told you. 30 back multiply 3 because you have 3 here. So 30 back multiply 3. 30 into 29 into 28 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 factorial. So just you can calculate this when you get 20 into 25. What you have here? Into 25x square into 8y raised power 27. So we can calculate that. We are going to get the value of that. Okay. So let us find the value of this. Okay. Let's find. Okay. Then finding the value of that will give you the answer is. So you can write that as like this only. You can. The answer is given, options were given 30 factorial by, as per this formula, 30C3 can be written as 30 factorial by 30 minus 3. 30 minus 3 is 27 factorial into 3 factorial, means they have given in this way. Okay. So both can be okay, means they use the formula. They did not do all these things. I was trying to do the formula. Other you can multiply this. You can cancel, you can multiply this answer, you can write. And 25x square into, I can write as 8y power 27. This is your answer. This is the answer. So if you want to find any value, any term, so we use this formula TR plus 1, that is called as the general term we call. General term is NCR a to the power of n minus r into y power r. Yes. You can multiply, you can cancel it. That's not a problem. So here, that's okay. 5. Pooja is cancelled that. She wrote as 5 into 29 into 28 into 25 x square into 8y power 27. Okay, this is also correct. But options wise, this was there. I didn't wrote the options. So this is also right. Okay, anything can be written. Okay, did you understand what I said? We can find any term in the binomial is using the general term. Using the general term, we'll find it. Okay. Did you understand all? Using the general term, we'll find it. Using the general term, we will find it. Is it understood, everyone? Did you understand or no? Yeah. So one more, I will explain one more expansion because some basic level is required. Then we will go on to the JEE mains and advanced level. First, some basic level, basic concept, foundation is required to understand. If you understand one's foundation, then you can go to the base advanced level or mains level. So first, setting the foundation is most important, I feel. Okay. So let us find it here. One more thing is, next question is 1 minus 3x square divided by 2. Expand is said. Expand. How to expand? Okay. So let's expand this one. As you know the formula, x plus y raised power n is equal to formula is nc0 x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 y power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 y square plus so and so plus ncn y power n. This is the formula we have. This is the binomial theorem formula we have, right? Now I want to expand this one. How can I expand this? 1 minus 3x square divided by 2 whole power 4. I can write here this one as 4C0 because this is NC0. So here it is starts from 4C0. And the value of x is what? Value of x is 1. 1 power n, that is 4. Okay. Then 4C1. X value is what? 1 minus 1, 3. And y is what here? See here, there is when you have minus symbol, keep with minus. 3x square by 2 power 1 plus 4C2 1 square and minus 3x square by 2 whole square plus 4C3 1 cube minus 3x square by 2 whole cube. Isn't right? Yeah, no, it's a power 1. It's a power 1. So 4 minus 3 is 1, and that is, you can write as minus 3x by 2 whole cube. Okay. Power is, here is the power is increases, there will be decreases, and last term will be 4C4. I can write as minus 3x square by 4 whole power 4. You know that NC0 we begin, NCN we end. 4C0 we begin, 4C4 we end. That's it. 4C0 we begin and we end with 4C4. 4C0 we begin, NCN we end. Okay. So let us, this one you can just simplify this. What I am going to get here, 1 minus 3x square by 2 raised power 4 can be written as, this is can be written as 4C0. I told you always the corner coefficients will be 1. Okay. So this will be 1. 1 power 4 is 1. Okay. 1 plus 4C1 value is 4. And you have this value is how much? Minus 3x square by 2 plus 4C2 value. What is the 4C2 value? 4 multiply 2 back and the 2 factorial you write. Okay. And minus, this is 1 square is 1. And you can square this, minus 3 square is 9x square divided by 4. Just I am expanding this. Okay, I am simplifying this. Not expanding, I am simplifying this. 4C3 value is how much? 4. 4C3 value is 4. 1 and then you expand the 3 cube. 3 cube is minus 27. Odd number power. So you know that odd number power will give you odd result, that negative result. So minus you get here, minus of 4 into there, you can expand that, you are going to get this. So minus 3 cube is 27 and x power 3 to the 6 divided by 2 cube is 8 and plus 4C4 value 1 and here 3 power 4, 3 power 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. 81 x power 8 divided by 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 4s are 256. 256 you get. So this is what you are going to get. So you can write the answer is, finally you can write this expansion of 1 minus 3x square divided by 2 power 4 can be written as 1 plus, this is 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel, plus into minus minus. So minus, I can write 3 2s are 6, 6x square. Okay. And here 4 4 gets cancelled and then 3 9s are 27 by 2, 27 by, and you get x square, correct? X square, you get x square, correct? X square again? No, I think something went wrong. X power 4 you get here. X power 4 you will get. X power 4 you will get. Okay, x power 4 minus 4 1s are 4 2s are cancel, minus 27 by 2 x power 6 plus and 81 x power 8 divided by 256 is the expansion. So we can do like this. Hi everyone. So this is the way we can expand answer for this. Did you understand? Did you understand? Did you understand the expansion? 1 minus 6x square plus 27 by 2 x power 4 minus 27 by 2 x power 6, 81 by 16. How it will be 16? 4C4 2 power 4. It's a 2 power 4. Okay. I wrote here 4 power 4. It's a 2 power 4. Okay, it is a 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 is 16. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So answer is 16 here. So this is the right answer, exactly right answer. Yes, understood. Yeah, this is the expansion of binomial theorem. We had expanded this one. So this is a basic concept how to expand the binomial theorem when something is given. Okay, exponential form it's given. Okay, is it clear to all? Is this is clear? Yeah. So I had explained you just now at the previous lecture when I am explaining this time every time the power is go power off every time. So that is what I explained is 1 power x power n. This expansion is nc0 plus nc1 x power x power 1 plus nc2 x square plus nc3 x cube plus so and so plus ncn x power n. This is the expansion of binomial theorem. That is 1 plus x whole power n is this. When I say x is equal to 1, when I substitute above equation, what 1 plus 1 raised power n is equal to nc0 plus nc. In the place of x, if I substitute 1, x value will be 1 plus nc2 x square plus nc3 x cube means 1 cube. 1 cube is 1 plus so and so plus ncn. This is gives binomial coefficients. Sum of the binomial coefficients, the sum of binomial coefficients is equal to sum of binomial coefficients, that is equal to sum of binomial coefficients is 2 raised power n, that is nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus so and so ncn is 2 raised power n. This is the formula for the binomial theorem. Okay, sum of the binomial coefficients will give you 2 raised power n. So what you need to do here, x place you have to substitute 1, so it gives the sum of the binomial coefficients. Isn't clear? Is this is clear to all? Is this is clear to all? Let's take a JE question now. Let's take a JE question. Yeah. Let's take a JE question now. Sum of all binomial coefficients. So by JE question, this is a JE question, IIT question. But not, it's a very long year back they asked this question. So let's take a JE question first. The question says that is saying that sum of all coefficients, sum of all coefficients of 1 plus x minus 3x square raised power 2163 is how much? Sum of all coefficients, this is what they said as sum of all coefficients, okay, coefficients, okay, sum of all coefficients is how much? Okay, you have to find sum of all coefficients in this. Can anybody tell me the answer how much? It's a IIT question. It's a IIT question. Now tell me, can anybody tell me sum of all coefficients in this? What is sum of all coefficients in this? 1 plus x minus 3x square raised power 2163 is how much? Sum of all coefficients in this. Can anybody tell me what is the sum of all coefficients? Substitute x is equal to 1. Just substitute x is equal to 1. What I get here? 1 plus 1 minus 3 into 1, 2163. Just now before, I told you some of the coefficients to find. I told you just now before, when you have 1 plus x, I told you to keep x is equal to 1 and the above. Then you got the sum of the coefficients. Same thing you do here. So it's a shortcut method. So what I get here, this is 2 minus 3, that is 1. 1 raised power 2163. So the answer is 1. 1 is the answer. Sum of all coefficients is 1. Is that 1 or minus 1? Okay, here is 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Sorry. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd power is the minus 1 is the answer, not the plus 1. Minus 1 is the answer. Did you understand? This is IIT question. Did you understand all? Minus 1 is the right answer. Did you understand? Hello everyone, please reply me. Understood. Very good. See, just because of yesterday and day before yesterday, because of so much network issue, live was disconnected many times. So I have kept in the playlist whatever the live I took. Please go back and watch once again. Okay, please watch it and try to understand it. Concept. This concept is important concept and easy concept. These are right. My next question is find the coefficient of okay. Coefficient I did not explain, right? Yesterday I was explaining this question. Did you remember? X plus y plus z raised power 8. Number of terms in the expansion. We are doing the number of terms in the expansion, right? How many number of terms will be there in this expansion? As I told you, x plus y whole power n is there. The number of terms in the expansion will be, as I told you, n plus 1, correct? But because this is a binomial, because only 2 terms are there, it is a binomial. But if it is there 3 terms, if it is there more than 3 terms, the number of terms will be how to find out? Number of terms in this expansion, x plus y plus z whole power n. Yes, you have learned a concept in permutations and combination. I taught you permutation combination. That concept you need to use, that is n plus p minus 1 c, n plus p minus 1 c p minus 1, or you can use r minus 1. You can use anything here, r or p, anything you can use there. So this formula will give you number of terms of any. Okay, here is that the number of terms means x, y, z. How many are there? X plus y. P indicates number of terms. You can take r because already n was taken, so I cannot take r. I cannot take again n. So here r indicates or p indicates. If we take p or r, whatever you take, that is indicates the number of terms of the expansion. Number of terms of the binomial. What you can say algebraic expression. Number of terms of the algebraic expression. Okay, number of terms of the algebraic expression. How many terms are there? 3 terms are there. So I can use this formula. N is how much? N is equal to 8. Number of terms are r is equal to 3. Substitute in this, you get number of terms. That is, I am going to get as 8 plus 3 minus 1 c, 3 minus 1. That is 8 plus 3. You all know that how much? 11 minus 1, 10. 10 c. So the number of terms in the expansion is 10c2 can be written as 10 into 9 divided by 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 5s are cancel. 9 5s are 45 is the answer. So the number of terms in the expansion is 45. The number of terms in the expansion is 45 now. Did you understand? Did you understand this? The number of terms in the expansion is 45. Did you understand, everyone? All of you understood? All of you, did you understand? This is what the number of terms. Yes. That's what you need to understand in the beginning. Okay. This is binomial theorem. Okay. But here by disturbance, always by disturbance, it is a half is disconnecting and connecting like that. You may get some disturbance. But okay, it's okay first. And one more thing, these are formulas I told you. That is NCR is equal to what is that? NCN minus R. These proofs I gave in the already. These proofs I gave in permutation combination, as well as I told you the coefficients here. You know that 5C0, 5C1, 5C2, 5C3, 5C4, and 5C5. These are the coefficients. I told you this value and this value will be equal, and this value equal, this value equal. These both are equal. Therefore, I can write formula NCR is equal to NCN minus R. This is one formula. Yes, this is the formula already you know. And another second formula is whenever NCX is equal to NCY. See here, this concept already I taught in combinations. Combination. This is NCX. So NCX is equal to NCY. The same concept will be there in binomial theorem. That's what. So this can be says that either this can be says if NCX is equal to NCY, this says that either X is equal to Y or I can write as X plus Y is equal to N. X plus Y is equal to N. So these type of problems also we did in combination, but I need to give here also. That's the reason I am giving the formulas again. One more is NCR by NCR minus 1. This is one of the most important formula. When ratio related questions we will solve, this will be useful. So NCR by NCR minus 1. NCR, you know that n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this also I explained in permutations and combinations. NCR divided by this and n factorial by, you know, this is n minus r minus 1, this whole factorial into r minus 1 factorial. If you divide this NCR divided by NCR minus 1, what I am going to get is n minus r plus 1 divided by n minus r plus 1 divided by r. Yeah, you can do this in simplification. Already we have done in the combination topic. I had explained permutations and combinations. So this is one more thing you have to remember, that NCR divided by NCR minus 1 will give you n minus r plus 1 by r. So this is okay. You can do it, right? You can understand this one. Just you can shift up and cancel remain things. You can convert this r, you can r factorial can be written as r into r minus 1 factorial. So you can do this one, then this is okay. So likewise the remaining thing will left n minus r plus 1 by r. Okay. Yes. So this is the another formula, this is another formula, this is another formula. Note down the formulas. Note down the formulas. Yes, everyone note down the formulas. Yes, noted. You have noted down the formulas. So I can give you some homework questions. Now I can give you some homework questions. Homework question now. And then we will start some JE level. Okay. Some homework questions I am giving you. Expand homework. These are questions homework. Expand 2x by 3 minus plus 3y by 2 whole power 20 up to 4 terms. Up to 4 terms. Okay. Up to 4 terms you have to expand this. It's a homework question. Second question is homework. Another question is write first 3 times, because this is a practice purpose. Write first 3 terms. See here, one more thing. This chapter you can do NCRT also important, because some of the questions in NCRT on this topic is important. Like complex number, this chapter you can do the NCRT also. All chapters no need to do, because NCRT questions will not come in JEE, but some topics are there. Whenever I teach the topics, I'll tell you, you can cover the NCRT also. If you get any doubts, I will explain it. Okay, y power 6. This is homework to you, because this is to get a practice. Okay, it's only the thing is to get the practice. You need to get the practice. Then next lecture you will understand easily. Expand. Okay, expand the binomial expand the binomial x square by 3 plus 3 by x raised power 5. Expand this, so you will get understand this concept. So then whenever I explain any concept, you will be able to do it. Okay, are you getting it? So do these are the homework. Okay, let's see next questions. Is it clear? Yeah, note down the questions for homework. I need to take class 12th class also, because the yeah, I did not take their class yesterday. Also I took for you half an hour, more than half an hour I took, but it is disconnected many times. Okay, so I have to take class 12th class. So today we will stop this lecture. Tomorrow we will start, because I need to take the class 12. Tomorrow we'll start many questions. Okay, today just you prepare and come back. Tomorrow we will solve the questions. Okay, we'll solve the questions tomorrow. I have to take class 12th also, because of this network issue. I'll plan some another day. Even I will plan on Tuesday. Likewise, I'll plan it Tuesday or other. Sir, second question, it is in second term. I didn't get you. What you said? Y or 4 in second term. What is you said? Y, yeah, Y. Okay. Y, this is Y by 3. Y by 3. Okay, we will discuss tomorrow, because I have to take class 12th also. Yeah, I didn't teach them yesterday also. So tomorrow we will do more problems. What you do here, what I explain means Monday I will teach. What I explained yesterday and today, okay, day before evening, this is disconnected lectures. You just watch it. I have saved in the playlist. I shared in your group. You can just watch once, and we will see on Monday. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye.